Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Bella's You channel. I'm Maribel from Davao, Philippines, and I moved here in California, USA. I'm under a K1 visa and I have a K1 visa LELES and a green card LELES. I'll just put the link in my description box below. So for today's video, I will just update or share with you my extension letter from USCIS. Yes, it's an extension letter because I filed the form IDA-751 or petition to remove condition on residence. So without a further ado, let's get started. For summary for my IDA-751 application, we sent my packet to USCIS on February 20, 2025. Then USCIS received on February 24. Then on March 1, 2025, my case is being actively reviewed by USCIS. Then on March 6, I received my extension letter. This is IDA-797 Notice of Action. Yes, it's at 2 pages. And the first page, the details, notice type, receipt notice, and the amount of the processing, it's $750. Then as I read here, we have extended the validity period on your form IDAS-551 permanent resident card, also known as green card, for 48 months. So 48 months, that will be 4 years from the date of expiration. During this extension, you are authorized to work and travel. This notice presented with your expired permanent resident card is evidence of your status and employment authorization. This extension and authorization for employment and travel does not apply to you if your conditional permanent resident status has been terminated. They give me an 48 months or 4 years extension. The second page, receipt number, receive date, notice date, which is March 1, 2025. Case type, IDA-751 petition to remove conditions on residence. Then petitioner, my name and my alien number. So that's my update for today. And if you have any question, you can comment in my comment box below. See you in my next video. Bye. Take care and God bless us all. Bye.